Don't forget me. Don't forget Esau. When I say what me so long, I'm telling you this man, that Esau is the high roller from that time until this time. You hear me I say? We say driving cars and SUV and living like a star in the West Indies. Sipping Bacardi and smoking trees. Tell some little punk it's all about we. Driving cars with DVD and living like a star in the West Indies. Sipping Bacardi and smoking trees. If they want to kill themselves, it's all about we. Yeah man, boom.
Yo, Esau, I want to shut it up. Why you give him the first verse? Give him the first verse, me youth.
Rolling in on me Audi, me and me shorty. Anytime me I go party, flexing in on me Lexus. Don't try test us, cause our girl them not take bus. My girl them not drink Kool-Aid. Them a drive round town in on me Chris Escalade. Cruising in on me drop top, fully compact. Right man no we a jackstrap. Driving cars and SUVs and living like a star in the West Indies. Sipping Bacardi and smoking trees. The little punk, it's all about we.
Hey!
Driving cars with DVD and living like a star in the West Indies. Sipping Bacardi and smoking trees. If they want to kill themselves, it's all about we. True, we are high roller. We no stroller. We go check for the stone. Me and my girl, the phone, I drive the Range Rover. She a big shareholder. Now look no fame, we happy live for strength. Must check some people, we live down the lane. Rolling fantastic, that's bombastic. A bit elastic and plastic.
Boom, don't get another Esau. Esau, what go on, my friend?
Yeah, man, me there.
Long time to see the superstar, my brother. What have you been up to of late?
Well, I tell you, say, me have some new thing in the pipeline I try to push out in a stone. So I say, but it just take time, you know. See me I say?
Alright, for people who really don't know you, let's take them back to memory here. Who is Esau? How you got started in the business?
Well, Esau, this, you know, who was 5 Esau, you know, when 10 Esau was 10 Esau. So through 10 Esau come in a number, my friend them say me must come in a letter. So through E was the 5th letter of the alphabet. So come first, my name Esau. See me I say?
Yeah,
but that thing here, I kind of love that thing here from youth I grew up. Come see my mother, I can come to arena, come sing and dance. And so it's that thing we're growing on me from that time there until now.
Esau, give me the first tune that you started with, my brother.
My first tune was the Lovers Rap.
Yeah.
Can't believe it, oh no. When I told you, baby, I know that you were longing. I've been crying for you. You can't believe it, oh no. When I told you, baby, I know that you were flirting, cheating, and me. Oh, she said that was a lie. And I look into your eyes and I know what you say wasn't true. Oh no, but true, she got me hypnotized with her love that energizes. But baby, don't play no tricks on me. Can't believe it, oh no. When I told you, baby, I know that you were longing. I've been crying for you. Oh, you can't believe it, oh no. When I told you, baby, I know that you were flirting, cheating, and me. Gonna check your mind out, way over, in and over. You're planning to stay over, to be with another lover. Can't believe it, oh no. When I told you, baby, I know that you... That was first, you know?
That was the first, you were mad, and take off.
Yeah, man.
So, Esau, I know you have been a number of shows. Give me some of the shows that you have performed on.
Like Culture Shock, Hype in the Park, Reggae Fever, and some other show. Yeah.
Wolpa Show, that's Wolpa Show. I remember Wolpa Show, Big School Carlian in the years gone by. So Esau, we know the business here. How you feel about crime and violence in the music business and how some of the artists might take it on a demonic level? Right,
now I tell you, the youth them say music are joy and love and feelings and so. Don't try to get the youth them on the wrong side because you bring more stress to the youth than we left from school now, where 400 or 4,000 people left from the school, then come out, they don't have even work. 10 get work, 15 hustle, the next 25, we don't know what them do. See what I say?
Yeah.
So, I tell the youth that say better than go on, well, I may try to find something to occupy them time. Don't make people, other person draw them up in things where they don't feel like. Because if I youth them, you know, they don't really want to go into nothing, you know. The bad thing, you know. Because the youth them want to work too, you know, but sometimes they work not did it. I tell the government them say we set some better work for the youth them because you can't go raise the youth them, educate them, then you want brutalize them back over again. That makes sense. You see it?
No
it makes sense to raise them for. That's why we could have made them gone before them come so big. That's it. So government them have to help out the youth them too. It's not me alone can't say my little part, but government have to help sustain something for the youth them, and youth them can benefit from it. The youth them are, you know, hungry, them things they don't work. You see it up on the rock, you know. I'm just nobody a farm more than so. So me say man have to have work for hustle or have money then for survive. Otherwise it no work. You see me I say?
So, but I love that, you know, brother, because I guess without we as elders impart the good knowledge into the youth, and without the government to, as you're saying, make job available, make school available, make funding available, so we can get most of these youths off of the street, you know?
Government was youth like we too, and we was youth like the youth them too. So we don't need them because if this them go wrong, we if we correct them, that makes sense. We go and rush them, let them do more bad, because the more you treat them bad, the better them will get. So them I try to hurt us. So once they feel care about them and check for them, they will even do better. You understand me? But if there's nobody not busy with them, some of youth them grow up, they never see a father, because their father, they war, they go on and father the day. Some of them never see a mother. See what I say? Nobody go hug them back and say, what's the matter? Give them a mother love and make them feel like a father love. You just see them do things and I say, wait, and you're ready to kill said time too, and a killing just go on a while ago. Come and sit around to the thing, man, and ask what's the matter, man, and help some of youth or some of my people who need the things. You understand me? Up on the rock, you know, nobody not to have nothing, but everybody a try still. You see it? So that's the thing that's doing.
So what can we look forward on? The year is 2014 now, Esau. I know you have a holy patron, I know you have a lot of things to say. What you have coming out to the streets now that people can probably go to the stores or call up the radio station to look out for?
My new songs are culture vibes now. I tell you what I teach the youth them, I say, yeah, what? Now I run in pan one, which would them have them things because switch up youth them again. So you have a little money to give them. And the money done and 10 people dead. We not depend them thing now. So we have a new thing now where in the street now for the youth and the whole world. So I say, when I go up at them vote, you see they want to Rastafari out. Now go up on them campaign, see them sit back and drink champagne. You know, hey, them left with the gutter, where mama can't find bread nor butter. Oh, try to get a little sugar, when the shop man draw down him shutter. But come down, wicked man, come down. Come down up on your bum pride. Now the powers of the most are gonna get you down, hey. Gonna get you down. We go to school just to get education and to grow with a serious position and not to grow with a bad intention. Could I be the leader of any nation? Like that great father them called Abraham. Remember one God keep on tell him in creation. Say, and this land here is no respiration. So if you take care of the younger generation and come down, no wicked man, come down. Come down up on your bump and pride, hey. Come down, wicked man, come down. Come down up on your bump and pride. Cause the pose of Selassie gonna get you down, hey. Gonna get you down, hey. When I go pat them vote, you see they want to Rastafari out. Now go on them campaign. Me see them sit back and drink champagne. You know, stone them live with the gutter. When mama can't find bread nor butter. Oh, try to get a little sugar. When the shop man draw down the shutter. But come down, wicked man, come down. Come down and find you. Yeah, man.
Mad man, Esau.
Good, you know?
So, Esau, in parting, who you want to give a big shout out to? You know, your label, your management team, and so on.
Miss Pauline Clark, she at the moment right now. She am a great, she am my art, the next side of my art right now, because she look out for me out of the whole world. I like when people look out for me, you know, because it's a great reward that, you know. The people will look out for you, you know. You know, as a family, that means that you're important to the person of the earth. You understand me? So I give all my love to that lady there, you know, you know, Stone. I try to help the thing to you know. You understand me? Because I know you from a long time, I try to help the thing, you know. And then what day I try to help the music, you know. You see, you're on the foundation, man, there, I try to hold up the music and try to help it. You know, see it? So I give thanks to the art, I give thanks to myself, give thanks to everyone around me, support me and them thing there. And who not support me to give thanks to that. That's a very world. Love, you know.
Give me one sweet thing though, give me a sweet thing though, so I can mash up the place so we can play it as a jingle.
Summer.
Summer thing, give me a summer thing though, Bridget.
Hey lady, hey big things are going for your body. Face so mood like a baby. Driving the man them crazy. Girl, on the hot, on the burning up the corner.
Give me the dance.
And the burning up the corner. Sexy party, sexy Cara, sexy Lana. Sexy dance, sexy Mara, sexy Aja. It ain't burning up the corner. It ain't burning up the corner. They're hot and they're ready for this summer. So summer body lady, if you're not ready for this summer, got a boom boom. If you're not ready for this summer, got a boom boom. Plant your finger like a gun and got a boom boom. Take your finger like a gun and got a boom boom. Cause the hot on the burning up the corner. Girl them hot and they burning up the corner. Sexy party, sexy Cara, sexy Lana. Summer we say, yo, loving up.